Good morning, kids! Today, you're gonna learn about nouns. Are you ready? Noun. Nouns. It refers to a name of a person, things, animals, and place. Person. It could either be a boy and a girl, teacher, soldier, reporter, engineer, nurse, architect, and a baker. Things. Animals. A dog, fish, and a cat. Places. Have you been to this place? It is a park, school, hospital, church. Let's name the picture. Number 1. Can you guess what is in the picture? Very good. It's a police station. 2. It's a bag. Very good. 3. A police. Tell the nouns in each sentence. 1. Anna went to school early. 2. Tina loves to read. 3. The car is red. 4. We went to the park last night. 5. The girl ride on a bus. Thank you for watching. See you again on my next video.